So one of our female members said her dude been getting a little aggressive with her and she getting tired of it. So we like, okay, bet. Call him up and ask him if he needs some tree. She like, alright, bet. He like, yeah. So we was about to cook him when we first got up on him, but I'm like, nah, you know what I'm saying? We just gonna play it safe, bring him back to the trap. So he like, yeah, bro, y'all got some? My boy Mario like, yeah, he got 20 a gram. He like, oh man, what you got? I said, I got 50 a hong. Like, 50 a hong? What is that? I'm like, dang, bro, you ain't hip to the hongs out here? That's the newest thing out. So he like, all right, man, let me see what you got. All right, let me grab it off of Brody real quick. Brody like this hong on the house. I'm like, ooh, we got us a free hong tonight. Honged him up real quick, like, man, you know what I'm saying? And he got the blick on him. It don't matter. We serving hongs to any and everybody out there.